Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Chinese New Year delicacy, the water chestnut cake. Let's look at the ingredients. The complete recipe is in description underneath the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Here is the water chestnut flour. It's more convenient to use peeled water chestnuts in can, or these peeled and vacuum-packed ones. We also need custard powder and wheat starch. Measure the water chestnut flour, wheat starch, and custard powder. Mix them together first and whisk together with 400 grams of water. Add flour gradually until the mixture becomes smooth. Without clumps. Wash and drain the water chestnuts well, and cut the water chestnuts into tiny pieces. I found the vacuum-packed ones are tastier, sweeter, and the texture is more crunchy. Try to get them from the Asian grocery stores if you can. Mix sugar with the rest of water. Add water chestnut pieces, then bring it to boil. Turn down the heat now. Add the water chestnut flour mixture into the sugar water while continuing to whisk with the other hand. Do it slowly. The mixture will start to thicken. Mix until the mixture becomes translucent. Pour the mixture into a loaf pan. Smooth the top. Steam at high heat for 30 minutes. Let the cakes cool down, then refrigerate. We have to semi-cook the mixture before steaming, otherwise the water chestnut pieces would all float to the top. Cut the cake into thicker slices. Heat up a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Pan fry the cake at medium-low heat until golden. The yummy water chestnut cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy! This lightly sweetened cake is a healthy choice for the Chinese New Year, kept in fridge for up to 1 week.